Now, just a side note, have you ever thought about the muster drill? There are people who hide from muster drills, or at least they attempt to, but in olden days, like a few cruises ago when cruises were actually sailing, that pretty much if you didn't turn up for the muster drill, it kind of wouldn't happen and you would get in trouble. Well, thanks to all the changes, there will now be a digital muster drill. So you just need to log in, I would imagine, on your TV in your cabin, register that you are watching, and voila, your muster drill is no longer a physical activity that you have to grab your lifesaver and go down to deck 6 and go to your muster station and watch all the crew try to get people where they're supposed to be in the unlikely event that there is an emergency on board that might cause you to need to abandon ship. So that's exciting news. Persons will be happy to know muster drill going forward will be digitalized. Another bit of good news, which we're keeping fingers and toes crossed at this point, because it's such a fluid situation. I like that term, it's fluid. It keeps moving, dancing like jello. It's a fluid situation out there, and Sir Richard Branson's, by the way, it's his birthday. So this month of July, there was supposed to be a very, very big sailing aboard the Scarlet Lady in celebration of Sir Richard Branson's birthday. Well, the Scarlet Lady, she has not taken one revenue passenger, and after her big entrance into New York and Miami, she could not sail. But the news out there is that the Scarlet Lady is set to sail in October, and the 30th of September is supposedly the date given for the extension, for the cessation of cruising. We wonder, will there ever be a cruise for 2020? Well, I do have some news for you. Mein Schiff from TUI set sail in July. First ship sailing in Europe. And she went on what is called a cruise to nowhere. So she loaded up her passengers, 1,200 on average, I think. And they sailed in Germany. They did not go to any port, so no stops, just sailing, enjoying the ship, having a mind shift type of experience. And that could, even though it's in German, could be applicable to this particular season, because we all need a mind shift right now, I tell you. And she returned, I think, the 24th of July. So we're going to bring you the update as to what that 3-day sailing with 1,200 passengers was like, with this virus still looming in the background. Now, what else is there to tell you? There's so much cruise news going on. It just gets better and better every time. And we could not close this podcast. Did I say podcast? I did. You all need to listen to the Sweet Life Travel Podcast, brought to you on anchor.fm and everywhere where podcasts are available. So you can get us on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and of course on anchor.fm. So our final news as it relates to cruising is that the Kristiana from Ama Waterways set sail. So cruising has started, in part. On the 5th of July, she sailed on the Rhine. And this was a cruise just for German locals. And of course, they had enhanced health and security protocols in place. So, of course, the Kristiana was the first US based river cruise operator to resume European sailings. It was a charter, and so it was quite straightforward, but whoopee! Waterways to the world, taken to the seas in Germany on the Rhine. This has been your agent for life, Sharon, from Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we're all about the fun. And hashtag resorts are open in Jamaica. Call us now. Ciao for now.